Hey you guys, so today I got bundles from DSoar hair. Okay, so I got bundles from DSoar hair. I always work with them like all the time. I love their hair, like super. They got super bomb hair. They sent over 24 inches of loose deep wave, so I got 3 bundles of 24 inches. Okay, so I just 3 bundles of 24 inches. And I also got a 20-inch closure, a loose wave. I don't know, yeah, loose deep wave, okay? So I'm gonna be making her into a wig. So yes, I wanna thank DSoar hair once again for sending over these bundles, because I already know they're gonna be bomb. Like, on period, it's gonna be bomb. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the road to 200K. So let's get there. So I will see y'all once the wig is made. I'm excited because I don't even think I ever had like loose wave bundles. I probably did, but I can't remember. So let's get it. this is the wig that I made. This is 24 inches of loose deep wave hair. Y'all love this hair. It is so pretty, but it can get a little, like I said, it can get a little tangly if you don't you know, keep it brushed or whatever, because it is deep wave hair. Y'all love this hair. Let me show y'all the back of the hair. Stiff work. Stiff work. Super pretty. So yeah, this is DSoar hair. I always work with DSoar hair. I've been working with DSoar hair for like a year now, and I love their hair, y'all. Okay, so I was just like, it's time now for frontals for a little while. Let's just roll with some closures. So yeah, this is a closure wig. So I was just tired of closures at the moment, so I'm just like, I'm just trying to stock up on my closures. So, you know, spring break coming up, you can just throw it off, throw it on, throw it off, throw it on. Okay, so I would really recommend this hair. So make sure you guys check out the description box down below and get this DSoar hair. Y'all, I'm tired. Trying to do the stiff work just got me tired. Okay, so make sure you guys follow us on Instagram, because we will be doing a 200K giveaway if we aren't already at 200K when this video go up. But yeah, and I want to thank DSoar once again, so make sure you guys check them out. Check out the description box. There might be a discount code down below. And like I said, this is 24 inches of loose deep wave hair. Came with a 20-inch closure. So yes, this is nothing much more I could say about this loose deep wave hair. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few slow motions, and it's gonna wrap up this video.